this video, we're going to learn how to convert negative number into positive in Microsoft Excel. We will discuss so many different techniques in this video. First of all, we will use absolute function. The absolute function returns the absolute value of a number. The absolute value of a number is the number without its sign. So we put the technique here like other function. Absolute function begins with the equal sign, put abs, put the cell reference, close the parenthesis, press equal, number is positive. Simply drag the fill handle down, our job is done. Now we'll use another interesting technique, and it is interesting at the same time it is pretty simple. We simply multiply its cell value by -1. We know if we multiply minus number by another minus number, then the ultimate result will be positive. So number cell value is positive. Drag the fill handle down, our job is complete. Thirdly, we use conditional formatting technique. For conditional formatting, we use if function here. Write if, start the bracket, put the cell reference. If cell value is less than 0, that means if the cell value is negative, if function simply multiply the number by -1. If the cell value is positive, X will simply print the number. Our job is complete. Press enter, number is positive. That's a smart technique to convert negative number to positive number. Fourthly, we'll use custom formatting. First, select the cell value, right click on the selected area, go to format cell, under category choose custom. Select. There are so many different options under type area. Remove the number, choose 0 semicolon 0 semicolon. Press OK. All the numbers is positive. Now we will use another interesting technique. First, select the cell references, go to data tab. Here, so many different data tools area. Text to column, flash fill, remove duplicate. Simply select text to column. There are two types of file: delimited, fixed width. Select delimited, press next. If we go to delimiters area, there are different types of delimiters: tab, semicolon, comma, space, other. Pick other, write minus in the box, select next, press finish. Our job is complete. Now we'll use another function. The function is called sign function. If we go to Google and try to understand sign function, it determines the sign of a number. Returns 1 if the number is positive, returns 0 if the number is 0, and -1 if the number is negative. So we put the cell reference, put multiplication sign, and we will multiply this number by its sign. If we press enter, the logic behind this function is that the value of A1 is negative, the sign of A1 is also negative. So negative multiplication negative will be positive. If we drag down, all the numbers will be positive. Lastly, we'll use power function. If we go to Google and search for power function, returns the result of a number raised to power. The syntax is we need to use power function, bracket, we need to specify the base, and we need to specify the power. Here we need to use 2 as a power. First, put equal sign, write power function, write the base, put 2. Now we put head operator. Simply press shift and 6 together from keyboard. Now start the parenthesis again, put 1 divided by 2, close the parenthesis, press equal, number is positive. Drag down, all the numbers will be positive. So far we have discussed 7 different techniques in this video to convert negative number into positive number. First we have spoken about absolute function, then multiplication by -1, then conditional formatting, custom formatting, list to column technique, sign function, and power function. You can use 7 of these techniques, these 7 techniques, to convert negative number into positive in Microsoft Excel. If you face any problem, just mention it in the comment section. Lastly, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.